In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple email accounts in Microsoft Outlook. By the end, you'll have all your inboxes in one place, making it easier to stay organized and switch between accounts without hopping across different apps. First, open the new Outlook 365 on your computer. If you haven't used the new interface before, don't worry, everything we need is right where we expect it to be, and the setup is quick. Make sure Outlook is up to date so the add account flow works smoothly. Next, click File. You'll find this at the top left of the Outlook window. This opens up the area where you can manage your Outlook settings and data. From there, select Settings. This takes you into the configuration panel where account options live. If you're ever unsure you're in the right place, look for the section labeled Accounts. This is where Outlook keeps everything related to email connections. Under Accounts, choose Add Account. This is the command that starts the guided setup. Outlook will open a small window to gather the details it needs. In the dialog, enter the email address of the account you want to add. Type it carefully. Small typos can prevent Outlook from finding the right server settings. Outlook supports popular providers like Microsoft 365, Outlook.com, Gmail, Yahoo, and many work or school accounts, as well as custom domains. Click Connect. Outlook will try to detect the correct settings automatically. For many providers, this happens in seconds and moves you directly to secure sign-in. When prompted, enter the password for that account. Use the same password you normally use for that inbox. If your provider uses app passwords or special tokens, enter that credential here instead. Keep your password private and don't share it on screen. Follow any additional prompts for authentication. You might see a branded sign-in page, a multi-factor authentication request, or a permission screen asking to allow Outlook to access mail, contacts, and calendar. Approve the prompts as required by your organization or provider. If you're using multi-factor authentication, be ready to confirm a code, a push notification, or a biometric approval. Finally, click Done when setup completes. You'll see the new mailbox appear in the sidebar with its own inbox, folders, and sent items. You can now read, send, and search from this account. To add more accounts, simply repeat the same flow. If Connect doesn't work, double check your email and password, confirm your internet connection, and ensure the account allows connections from Outlook. For custom domains, you may need the correct server settings or to contact your admin. That's it, your additional email accounts are now added in Microsoft Outlook.